Greenland is the biggest island in the world. Its territory occupies more than 2 million square kilometers. No other island can be compared to it. The second place is taken by New Guinea with its 785,000 square kilometers. Geographically, Greenland relates to North America. However, it belongs to Europe, being an autonomous constituent country of Denmark. The first settlers appeared here in 2500 BC, and this gigantic piece of land was unknown for others for a long period of time. It was revealed to the world by Iceland Vikings in the 10th century. The name Greenland in English and Danish languages means green land, which seems to be a misunderstanding. And so it is. The false name of the island was given to it by the Vikings, who wanted to attract more settlers. "88% of the population are Greenland Eskimos that have been living here since ancient times. Though civilization affected their life, most of them still consider hunting and fishing to be their main occupation. The most popular means of transportation between communities are dog sleds and snowmobiles. The uninhabited part of the island is occupied by the Greenland National Park. Having a territory of 972,000 square kilometers, it is the world's biggest park. 163 countries on our planet are smaller than it. About 80% of the territory is covered by ice. The average thickness of ice that covers Greenland is 1.5 thousand meters. Scientists calculated that in case all the ice melts, the level of world's ocean will rise by 7 meters. Harsh climate, the geographical and geological environment are unfriendly to the vegetation. Only in the southern coastal regions that are free of ice, you can find forests of ashberry, alder, willow, Arctic birch and juniper, as well as earth meadows. In summer, many birds come to Greenland, and the waters become inhabited by a great number of marine animals. There are more than 120 species of fish and 30 species of sea mammals, including 15 whale species. Having a very big territory, Greenland is colonized only along the fjords in the southwest. The climate is soft here. In total, 56.5 thousand people live in the colony, with the population density being only 0.028 people per square kilometer. The most northern city of Greenland is Upernavik, which lies in the fjords of the Baffin's Bay on the western coast, 800 kilometers away from the polar circle. Locals have a saying, "You don't know what cold means if you haven't been to Upernavik." The average summer temperature here is +5 degrees centigrade.